Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel ChatGPT Plus subscription. First, you will have to open your browser, then search here for ChatGPT, and after that you will have to go to this option, chatgpt.com, and now you have to make sure that you have logged in into your account, and after that it will show you on the top right corner here the profile icon, as you can see. And now when you click on your profile icon, as you can see, it will show me this window. Now you should click on my plan, and after that it will show you the plans that you are subscribed to, and here you should click on manage my subscription. Then it will jump you directly to this page. Now you have to click on cancel plan, and after that they will show you this message, and don't worry, they won't cancel the plan instantly. They'll just wait till you finish the last paid month. So if you are in the middle of the month, they will wait till the end of the month, then cancel your subscription before renewing the new month. After that, when you click on cancel plan, they will ask you some questions. They will give you a survey that you have to fill in just in order to know some reasons why you have canceled your subscription, and after that it will show you a message that you have successfully canceled your subscription. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.